Welcome to this tutorial. In this video I will show you how to configure a water cooler microchannel core by TKDesk, the new software of ThermoKey. We start from the use case screen, and by this drop menu we select water cooler, scroll down, hit on next, and we go to the parameter screen where the software is asking us for many inputs on the geometry, the refrigerant circuit, and the entry condition of both fluids. So we want to select, let's say, a 1.7 meter. Automatically it changes the number of steps from 2 to 4, but let's say I still want to configure for 2 number of steps and see how it goes. The geometry type, you can choose only between one. Geometry type, the MP3 32 millimeters tube width with a tube pitch and a pressure PS of 15 bar and louver fins. By changing the number of tubes also changes the core height real time in here. And for coolant I can choose between ethylene, propylene glycols, or just water. If I select water, deactivates the glycol percentage, but let's say I want to go for propylene of 40%, inlet temperature of 80, and decreases temperature by 20 degrees, so the outlet temperature will be 60. I can also do calculation on a verify mode where I can input the flow rate and it will calculate the outlet temperature. But let's go back to this option, and let's say I want to consider the worst case scenario, 35 degrees of inlet temperature. I'm about 500 meter on the sea level, which changes the atmospheric pressure, so I put it as an input, and I want to consider the maximum inlet velocity that my fan can provide. Automatically also changes the airflow rate. Clicking on next, the calculation starts and will show me the results with the model code and the details of the heat transfer, and for both air and the coolant we have the pressure drops, flow rate, inlet temperature, and outlet temperature. I don't have to select anything when I have only one geometry, so I just click on next, I continue, and I have even more details of the calculation, not just the one I had before, but also more details of the materials of the core, the weight, everything from both air side and coolant side, as well as the technical drawings with the geometrical parameters. If I click here, I can enlarge and zoom in and out from the drawings. As you can see, all the quotes have letters, and on the table on the right hand side I can go on the legend, see the description and its values. Also some other parameters are calculated in this other table, as the core inlet volume, and shows also the number of passes, the one I selected, the number of inlets and outlets. These decisions are taken by the software as standard chosen connections, but if you have any further request, I suggest you to contact your area manager, get in touch with him, maybe send them the PDF of this calculation. To obtain that, I just need to complete the calculation if I like it, and then will bring me to another screen, and on the top right I can download a PDF. I can see the PDF has the same details with the technical drawings that you need to show to your area manager and request an offer. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was useful, and I thank you for your attention.